Juice to strengthen iron in the blood recipe. While there isn't a specific juice that can directly strengthen iron in the blood, certain juices rich in iron and vitamin C can aid in increasing iron absorption and supporting overall iron levels in the body. Iron is an essential mineral required for the formation of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. Combining iron-rich foods with vitamin C can enhance iron absorption, as vitamin C helps convert non-heme iron, the form of iron found in plant-based sources, into a more absorbable form. Here's a recipe for a nutritious iron-boosting juice. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh spinach, iron-rich source. 1 cup kale, iron-rich source. 1/2 cup beetroot, iron-rich source. 1/2 cup carrot, vitamin C source. 1/2 cup orange, vitamin C source. 1 small apple, optional for added sweetness. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, optional, for added flavor. Water or coconut water, as needed for desired consistency. Instructions: wash all the vegetables, fruits, and ginger thoroughly. Chop the spinach, kale, beetroot, carrot, orange, apple, and ginger into smaller pieces for easy blending. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend on high until you get a smooth, well-combined juice. If the mixture is too thick, you can add some water or coconut water to reach your desired consistency. Pour the juice into a glass, and it's ready to be enjoyed. Remember to consume this juice alongside a balanced diet that includes other iron-rich foods such as lentils, beans, tofu, quinoa, and fortified cereals. Additionally, avoid consuming calcium-rich foods or supplements at the same time as your iron-rich meals, as calcium can hinder iron absorption. Instead, space them out by a few hours. If you suspect you have an iron deficiency or any health concerns, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and personalized advice.